Okay, good day. This is kind of an impromptu video hotel review of the Hyatt house in Winnipeg, Manitoba. So we're going to be reviewing a two queen bedroom, and as much as the property is I'll be able to get to. I'm not sure if they want you filming inside or whatever. But first off, lay of the land. Right across the street over that way, there's a little strip mall and a grocery store. But beyond that yet, there's a big outlet mall. And they have a food court. They have a bunch of shopping in there. If you look sort of far in the distance, right there, you can see the Ikea sign. Ikea is just down the way. And on this half of the parking lot from Ikea, or I guess the west side of that, they have a whole bunch of food options. They have some fast food options. They have some Montana's. You can sort of see it over the bush. I don't know if it shows up in the camera. So the area is chocolate. There's a Cabela's actually just back over that way. A bunch of shopping in the area. But it is kind of on a noisy way. It's easy to get to. If you head west down that way, you end up on the perimeter. If you keep going east that way, you end up at Route 90, which kind of goes north and south right up through Winnipeg. So you can get kind of from the south right to downtown fairly easily from here too. Airport would be that way. We just saw a plane flying in. Not super close to the airport, which is probably good if you like quiet. From inside the room, I was up in there. You can't hear any traffic where we were, so I wouldn't be worried about the road. But I'll walk around and we'll see what there is. One other thing I wanted to mention too is right beside the hotel, like here's the wall of the little outdoor kind of eating area by the breakfast spot. Like there's a hotel right here. Right across, same parking lot, is this place called the Rec Room. So this does have a restaurant right inside there, but it's also like a full-on arcade. So they have all sorts of arcade games, not just video games. There's air hockey, there's pool. They have a bowling alley in there. They do axe throwing. I've been once before. We're gonna go check that out tonight. I don't know if it'll be on the video. I don't know if they let me film in there or not, but we're gonna go there later. But it is right beside. So if you're looking for something to do in the evenings, this thing is right there. Okay, so here's their little outdoor eating area. They do have barbecues for you to use. They have tongs. The guy said that you can come and get tongs and stuff like that. Maybe they're already in here. Well, no, it's just a scraper. You can probably go to the lobby and ask for tongs. But they have a nice little seating area out here too. Little shade thing here. And that table there in the middle, it comes out. And it's a fire pit. So you can sit at night and have a fire. The workout room got balls, a bit of kettle weights, free weights, some sort of weight machine that I've probably hurt myself on, selection of treadmills. It's a good sized room. Right across from this is the pool, but there's people in it, so I can't really film in there. But it's just sort of a smaller rectangular pool, and they do have a hot tub too. I did find too they have a little laundry room. Okay, so here's the inside. This is a 2-queen bedroom. Just sort of give you a rough look at the room here. Pretty standard, nicely done. You can tell it's fairly new hotel. We'll start. We're just at the front door. We'll do the washroom here first. So you got a little walk-in shower, sink, open bottom there, toilet. That's all normal. The mirror is like lit up. It's got a sliding door. And does it have? Oh, there we go. Light for the showers in there too. It's kind of got like a barn. It's not really a pocket door. It's like actually like a barn door. Oh, there's me. Oh, they have the shampoo on tap. Towels are right inside there. That's kind of weird. But okay. Okay, so for the rest of the room, just 2 queen beds, little table between. Pretty standard fare. They have an outlet on the side. They do not have USB ports on the side. Okay, no USB ports by the bed. That's a bit of a drawback. Nothing on the headboards that I can see either. Room's nice and cool. The AC must work good. They give you a little single-use coffee maker. You do have a desk area. Again, they have outlets but no USB chargers. On the wall, nope, no USBs. But good-sized TV. Decent sized TV. What's in here? There we go, microwave. And a little fridge. So we got some cups down there, the ice bucket. Fridge, it's not very cool. Maybe it's not cranked on. You got a microwave, that's good. Little bench for your bags and stuff. And this is probably going to be, yes, closet. So this is the closet. Ironing board, this is all pretty standard stuff. There's the AC unit, window at the parking lot. And they give you this nice little, like, little couch thing. I don't know if this pulls out to a bed or not. I don't. No, it's just a couch. I guess if you had a kid with you, though, that might suffice. Seating, another end table. A fair number of outlets, but nothing with USB. So bring your own charger, I guess, because you're not gonna be able to do it. So there's kind of the layout of a 2-queen bed. Okay, good morning. This is the next day. So final thoughts on the Hyatt hotel here, Hyatt house, I should say. Not bad. The breakfast, which is just kind of like just behind us in that room there, just off the lobby. I couldn't get any pictures in there. It's way too busy. Breakfast was okay. You could tell they had good variety, but it was pretty depleted by the time we got there. And it was just a very, very busy day for some reason. It was like a Monday night stay, and it was like super, super busy. So the employees had 2 people kind of running the breakfast. They were hustling real hard. I think really they should have had a 3rd person with them, or a 4th even, just to keep up to it all. They did their best. It was okay. My wife's complaint is hotels always buy the cheapest bread ever. It's super thin and kind of flavorless. And she said, like, come on, like, find some better bread somewhere for toast. But as far as hotel breakfasts go, it was pretty good. Yeah, room was comfortable. The TV was a little bit weird. It's sort of a pseudo-smart Chromecast type TV. You have to kind of figure out how to connect it to your phone if you want to be able to stream things. And it wouldn't work for me at all. It gives you the little code you're supposed to connect to. Well, it wouldn't give me a code. The solution apparently is turn it off and on again, which I should have thought of, because it worked for my wife like the next time she tried it. And then I figured it out again this morning, and I was able to cast YouTube or whatever to the TV from my phone and control it all. So that got better. But if it ever freezes up, all it is just shut it off, turn it back on, try again. They're kind of like a pure Wi-Fi TV system they have here. But yeah, I'm just out on the deck having my coffee, and we're heading out shortly. But yeah, pool is good enough to keep some kids busy for like an hour or so. Nothing overwhelming. But I think the hotel is only 2 years old as of recording this, so everything's still in pretty good shape. It's pretty good. Staff are very friendly. I really don't have any complaints. Yeah, so hope this helped you. If you're coming to Winnipeg, I would definitely say this is probably one of the better ones I've stayed in Winnipeg. It being just nice and new and close to a ton of restaurants and stuff too. So if you liked it, hit subscribe, hit like, leave a comment. It does help the channel. If you have any questions about something I missed, put a comment in, and then I can maybe write in some more information for you there. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.